What's up, guys? In today's video I am going to be changing my wheels over on my bagged 2010 CC. It is currently 35 degrees Fahrenheit here, but it's sunny, so it's kind of a nice day. It's still a little cold, but I still am sitting on some Rotiforms and I don't want them on there all winter. I'm not 100% sure where I'm storing this car yet, so I'm like half prepping it for storage. So we're gonna go change some wheels over. Hopefully we don't run into any complications. I've already taken these wheels off a couple times, so it shouldn't be a problem. Pretty simple job, but yeah, that's what we're doing today. I wish I could drive this car all year round, but living in Michigan and then coming into the winter season, it's not practical, and I don't want it sitting on these nice wheels all winter. So that's the plan for today. We'll see what else comes up, but let's go change some wheels. What's happening, guys? So I am now here at my parents' house where I have the tires stored, as you guys saw. Now it's time to put them on that guy right there. That's the plan. Pretty much I just don't want the Rotiforms over there on the car in the winter in case it has to be stored kind of outside or something like that. So I'm just gonna put these guys on. If you guys recognize these at all, these are from the wagon that I got in the accident with that we saved. So I just would rather have these on it than those, have those in storage and have nothing happen to those, depending on where that gets stored. So that's kind of the plan now, is just get these on there. So it's actually the next day. Both my cameras died last night while I was finishing up the tires. I'm assuming from the cold, and then the Sony batteries are pretty small anyway. So it got really dark, so I just kind of like said I'll film the next day, show you guys what I did, all that good stuff. But if you guys remember from the clips you just saw, there was no snow on the ground. It was decently sunny. It was still pretty cold, but yeah, it's now bad outside. So that's I'm gonna show you the Volkswagen, what the wheels I did, what I put on it. I just gotta move it to a different spot, so let's go do that now. Oh, it's cold in here. You guys just saw it. It's, I mean, the wheels are looking nice. Definitely not what I want to be driving in this kind of weather. We're gonna start her up. It's cold in here. And here goes wiper blades. Yep. Let's raise her back up. If it'll go. Alright. So you can see I got the Rotiforms back here. All of them, there's 2, 3, and then the last one's back there on the other side of the tank in the back there. And yeah, I literally just have to move it. I know like lights are going on everywhere, gas, tire low, all that stuff. So let's literally just try to get it in the parking spot without slipping around. So that's the plan. Look at that. Yep, snow and everything. You'll love to see it. So yeah, guys, that's where it's gonna sit for a little while. Can't really do anything with it until I find a spot to store it, because I don't have a garage. These garages right here cost way too much on my rent, and yeah, I should probably get a cover for it, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright for now.